someone else with an account will also get notifications whenever the alarm goes off. When the alarm does go off, it will keep sounding until someone physically presses the center button to turn it off. Hi there, welcome to the Spy Store. Today we'll be looking at our vibrating door and window alarm. Firstly, we'll open the packet up, see what's inside. Inside we've got our instruction manual and our device. The device is battery powered, so to see the battery, slide the front off and it comes with 2 AAAs already inside it. To switch the device on, we'll go to the side here, and on the other opposite side we've got the sensitivity switch. Low sensitivity, twist it one way. High sensitivity, that means anytime someone touches the door or the window, the alarm will go off. It also has a sticky back, so it will stay on the window or the door. Let's get to the setup. First, we need to switch the device on and go to our Tuya Smart app. Once the device is on, we need to hold down the center button for a few seconds until the light starts flashing. Once this is flashing, we're ready to connect. Go to our app, select add and let it scan. It'll pop up on the screen, so we can select the device and it'll ask you to enter the Wi-Fi, so make sure you put in your password correctly. Then just give it a few seconds for it to connect. Now the device has been connected, we press done and we can have a look what's on the device. So if we select the top right corner, this will allow us to change the name and location. We can also share this device. That means that someone else with an account will also get notifications whenever the alarm goes off. When the alarm does go off, it will keep sounding until someone physically presses the center button to turn it off. We can also go on the settings, and via the app we can get notifications for power on, power off, detected vibration, and also low voltage. The app will also let us know how much battery we've got left in the device and when we need to change the batteries, basically. And that's it. If you would like to get in touch about any other products we have on the Spy Store, feel free to get in touch with our great customer service team. Thank you.